Imagine an alien journeying across space. For an eternity, they have traveled the dark, deserted universe. So alone. Until now. A pale blue dot. A home its inhabitants call Earth. Here, all the life forms, Earthlings, are joined in a dance, morphing dependent on one another. Their fates are bound. The aliens look down in awe, but also in fear. As now one of these species dances alone. Do they not understand what is at stake? From out of the silence, the aliens cry. Oi! Earthling! A good planet is hard to find.